Gadiza get vibes. Good morning, kids. It's time to wake up. Dad, I'm still sleepy. Dad, I don't feel really well. Yeah, Liz from night already coughing, Dad. Should we go to the hospital? Okay then. Ow, you're really coughing. Okay, let's go get ready. So we will go to the hospital? Yes, we are. Okay, I'm ready. Me too. I'm going to get the car. Okay, let's go, kids. Okay, Dad. Hop in the car. Yep. Okay, then let's go then. Is the hospital far? No, not really. Okay, we've arrived. This hospital is for kids. Well, I guess it's like a clinic. Okay, you guys sit. I will register. Hello, excuse me, I want to register. Oh, hi, welcome. What's her name? It's Liz. How old is it? It's 9. Okay, you can just wait. Dad, is there a waiting place for kids? Okay, I will ask. Excuse me, is there a playing place for kids? Yes, it's just right over there. Okay then, thank you. It's right over there. Liz, where are you going? I'm going to the playing place. Do you want to come? Okay then. It's fun in this playing place, but we're from kids in here. Not fun part of coughing and sick. Yep, you're right, sis. Oh, hi there. Hi, I'm Andre. This is my little sister Liz. Okay, have fun, girls. Yes, Dad. So, I never see you. Yeah, we're new in this clinic. Well, we're from kids. Andrea, can I play to the ball? Okay then, sis. Oh, hi, you're Liz, right? Yep. Aw, are you coughing or what? Yes, I'm coughing. What's your names? My name is Isla. This is my twins, Lila. Hi. Yep, I'm Lila. Well, I already say which is my name is Andrea. Are you sick or only your little sister? Only my little sister is sick. Is there a book in here? Yes, there is. There it is. Okay then, I will read the book. I like to read, I guess. But there's only one book in there, okay? Okay then. I will get it. Here it is. Wow, it's a cute story. Yeah, I like to read that book so much. You know, Liz, you can go to the doctor's room now. Yep. Andrea, it's my turn. Okay, let's go. Hello, excuse me. Oh, hi. Are you Liz? But here it is. Okay, Liz, I will go out, okay? Okay, Andrea. Okay, I will go to Dad's. Okay, Andrea. Hello, Liz. How old are you? I'm 9 years old. Okay then. So tell me how you feel now. I feel coughing. Tell me what you drink or eat. I've drank cold things. Oh, Liz. Don't drink cold things or eat cold things. Well, you can, but not too much. Let's have a checkup. Tomorrow, Next time, don't eat or drink cold things too much. Okay. What do you feel again? Just that, just coughing. Wow, I hear your cough. Well, do you feel sneezing? Nope, just coughing. Okay. Let's check your mouth first, Liz. Don't worry, it won't hurt. Okay, doctor. Your mouth are good. Hey, you're all done. Remember what I say, okay, Liz? Okay, doctor. Liz, parents or family or sister or whoever, come here. Okay, doctor. So, Liz only needs to have a medicine, okay? There's nothing to afraid about. Just say, don't drink cold things. Okay, thank you, doctor. Getting medicine, please. That named Liz. Here you go. Thank you. Okay, how much is it for all of this? 85 a half dollar, please. But I only have $100. Oh, is there? Well, is there 95? 90? No. Okay, I don't have any more, but maybe I will get your number, please. Okay then.